Hi, this slide deck is for US Inspect inspectors only. The slide deck is an introduction to our pre-listing evaluation. This deck describes our pre-listing evaluation product and value proposition. The deck is designed for you to present to one or more listing agents. Our pre-listing evaluation product opens us up to a whole new world of listing agents. High-quality listing agents always want to know how to prepare a home for listing and for a buyer's inspection. But let's be honest, some listing agents may not like a pre-listing evaluation because they're afraid of what they might find. The argument to counter that, of course, is that no agent ever wants an unpleasant surprise. Our pre-listing evaluation takes the mystery out of what every seller knows is going to happen sooner or later anyway, the buyer's inspection. I hope you're comfortable speaking with buyers and buyer's agents. Don't be anxious about speaking with listing agents. They may have different perspectives on a real estate transaction, but every agent wants the same thing, getting the deal to close. The cool thing about our pre-listing evaluation is that it gives us an opportunity to work with agents and sellers who want our input, who want to know what to fix, who want to know how to prepare for a listing and a buyer's inspection. Our pre-listing evaluation also gives us the opportunity to collaborate with listing agents to help their clients figure out what to prepare for listing. We're an independent third party that listing agents can leverage with their client discussions. Are you ready? Let's start the first slide with our proposed script. Hi, welcome to our brief introduction to US Inspect's pre-listing evaluation. Today we'll discuss the benefits of pre-listing evaluations, how pre-listing evaluations reduce unpleasant surprises, how we report issues, what's included in our reports, and how our third-party partner delivers accurate repair estimates. We know that buyer inspections create anxiety for listing agents and sellers. Our goal is to deliver an exceptional customer journey and to help you get to closing with minimal friction by understanding all of the issues prior to listing. Okay, let's go off script again and talk about the next two slides. I assume it's obvious, but download this presentation and add your name to the slide. What's the objective of this presentation? Well, other than talking about pre-listing evaluations, the objective is to convince your audience that you should be their exclusive solution for inspections. One of your goals may be to get everyone in the audience to use you on the next inspection. Your presentation goal is to connect with your audience. You have an opportunity to make your audience love you, make your audience believe in you as a professional solution. Introduce yourself confidently. State your first name and last name. Talk briefly about your background and experience, previous career, inspection career, etc. Say something interesting to engage the audience. Talk about your interests, your hobbies, your family. If you have time, learn about your audience before you begin, particularly with a topic like pre-listing evaluations, which may be controversial to some agents. If you request people to speak, that will help to break the ice. Ask about your audience's experiences and backgrounds. Your audience will be more comfortable during your presentation if you do that. Ask your audience if they have any questions in advance. Don't answer the questions necessarily, just take notes and refer to the questions as you present along the way. Most questions can be answered during the presentation. Make sure to account for all questions before you get to the end of the presentation. All right, let's switch back to the script. Our pre-listing evaluation is designed to achieve three objectives: to help you and your customer understand inspection issues prior to listing, to be an unbiased, independent source of support for your recommendations to your seller, and to be a source for repair estimates and a turnkey repair management solution with our third-party partner. Remember, our goal is to deliver an exceptional customer journey, minimize your friction by understanding all issues prior to listing, and help you get to closing. Pre-listing evaluations make a lot of sense for a lot of different transactions and deliver a lot of value, including transparency, lower repair costs, fewer surprises, and the opportunity to differentiate your listing from your competition. We'll talk about how inspections work now and how our pre-listing evaluation helps to take the sting out of a buyer's inspection on the next couple of slides. In the meantime, we recognize that pre-listing evaluations aren't ideal for every agent or for every transaction. We're not suggesting that. However, we are confident that there are numerous transactions which you should consider for pre-listing. If you're concerned about disclosure, for example, don't attend the evaluation or review the report. With your coaching, your seller can easily handle a pre-listing evaluation conversation. Now, if the list of benefits on the previous slide, isn't quite compelling enough for you to consider a pre-listing evaluation, perhaps economic data will make you think twice. Homes with a pre-listing evaluation sell faster for a higher price. This data is actual empirical data from over 50 transactions in a test market in which US Inspect introduced our pre-listing evaluation. We've tested the product. We know what the outcomes are. You all know how inspections work now. The seller receives an offer, the buyer introduces the inspection, and the apple cart gets upset. The seller has to scramble to figure out which issues are important, maybe has to contend with a trophy hunter inspector who likes to kill deals, has to find and convince contractors to work on small short-term projects for a big price premium. All of that rushing around produces stress and puts the deal at risk. Now, you could easily replace seller here with listing agent because most listing agents have to do all of the work protecting the deal. Here's how pre-listing evaluations work. You meet with your seller over a cup of coffee, talk about a plan with a reasonable timeline. We provide you with our report, including issues to consider fixing prior to listing. We push our data to PunchList, our partner, which prices out the repairs and manages all the subcontractors. All of that frees you up to work with other clients. From start to finish, the transaction is more enjoyable, and the end result is a faster sale at a higher price. Let's talk briefly about our pre-listing evaluation itself. We report on 12 major categories, including roof, interior, electrical, plumbing, appliances. You see the list here. Within those categories, we report on more than 125 components. We also report on some cosmetic issues. We design our reports for customers, not technicians. We state an issue factually and tell you why it's important. We write in sentences, not paragraphs. Our issues are easy to read, easy to understand. And most importantly, we focus on facts. We're non-alarmist, unemotional, low-key. And because pictures are worth 1,000 words, we also capture and publish high-resolution photographs. You can tap on the photo icon to access and zoom to the source photos. You can also download the source photos if you want to save the photos to your device. Our summary provides everything you need to assess the condition of the property and to make intelligent pre-listing decisions. We sort issues by type with the most important ones listed at the top so you can save time focusing on the important issues. We number every issue so you can have easy conversations with contractors about specific issues. We also provide clickable hot links so you can jump quickly to more details, including photos. The report is designed to make it easy for you to read and to save time by focusing on what's important. Because we capture data using smart technologies, our reports are effectively complete when the inspection is complete. We deliver most reports within just a few hours, and in some cases, the report is delivered while you're still talking to your client at the house. If you compare our inspection reports to the rest of the industry, there is really no comparison at all. When we publish our report, our system automatically sends the data to PunchList's system. PunchList automatically matches and prices repair estimates within minutes. When PunchList repair estimates are ready, PunchList will send you a link to a web page which displays all of the issues and related price estimates by category, with a roll-up to a total price at the top of the page. Your PunchList estimate page is like a shopping cart. You can toggle on or off any repair item. As you toggle off certain items, they're displayed with strike-through text, so it's obvious which ones are included in the category subtotals and total project fee, which automatically recalculate. When you've decided which repairs to address, you can book PunchList's licensed contractors immediately right from the estimate. PunchList's team coordinates and manages the entire repair project for you and provides you with updates throughout the project. And at the end of the project, PunchList provides you with before and after photos for every repair. PunchList eliminates your stress, uncertainty, and lots of time haggling with contractors. You can get to listing faster and create confidence with your customer and focus on what you do best, selling. Thanks for your time today. I hope you will start to think about pre-listing evaluations a little bit differently. We know we're the best inspection company in your market. We know our customer journey is superior to our competition, and we focus on getting you to closing. We want the opportunity to earn your business. And if you scheduled with us before, thank you. If you haven't worked with us, what can we do to earn your business?